Laurie, tell me about this design that you created on the
Okay,
wall.
well the whole wall and the whole room is earthen walls, the type of building that is called cob. It's been around the world for hundreds, whatever, way back. Traditional building technique, which is dirt. It's clay, sand, and straw. And then you build that up. You make it's like you're building a teacup or something, but it's a house, with building it up. And this one had actually some structures of wood and metal in there, so we were able to do thinner. Otherwise you do really thick walls and then taper them up because it gives it that strength and structure.
Yeah.
But the walls, because they have a fiber in them, in this case we used some of the palm fibers, we shredded them thinner, and we used cocoa fibers, really strong, so they wouldn't, you can normally use straw, but this is more durable in the humidity. And because that's woven through all the wall, it makes it super strong, because that's a tensile strength with the fiber. But anyway, then this design, when it's the first layer going on and when the wall is still wet and not fully solidified, you take some of the same mix and you just make a sculpture. You just put it on, smoosh it on, and build the relief out, and then you kind of sculpt it back. And so, and then we put bottles. These are wine bottles, and I forget, it's like a rum or some kind of bottle, these ones. And you put those in as you're making the wall, and then they provide the windows. And then we put a plaster. This isn't finished, so I was experimenting with different colors of yellow clay mixed with a little bit of cal, which is lime, mixed sometimes with a little cement. But this one is the pure yellow clay with a Mexican sellador, they call it. It's a sealer that we're working with that breathes. So these walls breathe, meaning the humidity levels in the room and outside are sort of balanced out, and the moisture evaporates. It'll get wet on each side and then evaporate. So you never get that sort of condensation that causes, in some of the tropical homes, to have peeling of paint and everything. It won't do that because it's drying out and
breathing.
And it changes color too. The color of the walls change even one day, the morning and the night. The color of the walls absorb more fluid at night.
Oh,
It gets darker and then they dry later and drier.
Right, gives more of a living experience.
Yeah, it's like the house is alive. It's breathing.
Yes.
It's drinking.
And where did you find your resources?
These are, the clay is all from this site. We were really lucky. We had clay soil, so we were able to build the walls basically with the soil here. And then the clay, this clay, one of my workers found in a town called Ursula Galvan, about an hour north of here. And this orange clay I got just up the road about half an hour. And the red clay was another builder who had it near his house, so we just went and scavenged and took big buckets and collected clay. And yeah.
How long did it take you to do something like this?
We got this clay.
Yeah, we've got a spider.
They're moving in fast. They say, you're not living here, we're living here. This whole wall, I had a Mexican helping me, and it was probably, 2 days to make the main wall, and then plastering another couple hours in a day, and this thing over a course of a week I probably did a few hours a day or something.